welcome back to my channel. So this is my second video on showing you guys how I make my lip glosses. In this particular video, I'll be showing you guys how I make my lip gloss that is called Pink Lemonade. Excuse me. I will also be linking everything in the description bar below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. They're called female fruit slices, and they're also non-toxic because they could be used in like slime and cosmetic juice. I will take a little bit of the lip gloss base from the base I made, and then it caused it to be a little bit sticky. I touch on the laminate, that's how I get it up. When I try to do it through the pipette, it gets stuck and clogs up the tube. So this is how I do it. It's kind of tedious, but you just tap it on the area where you put the lip gloss base. Tap another one. Just find random areas. Sometimes it will just fall off and stick on its own, but there it is.
Purchase your tracks today.
This one is my favorite one. This one looks so pretty. They have bigger bags, but I didn't want to get, I have two different color cups, so I didn't want to get the bigger bag just because I didn't know how small these were. So now I'm gonna get like bigger bags for these ones. So now I'm just gonna get my stoppers. And then boom. Then I get a disinfectant wipe. Wipe it down. At this point, you might as well change gloves so that you don't transfer the stickiness. These are my favorite, and they smell so good. Like they have a little bit of shimmer inside of it.